Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Monsoonal rains over Cape York will gradually spread southward through Cairns and Townsville and eventually to the Whitsunday coast. The heaviest falls are expected on Thursday and Friday, with hot, sweaty nights under a thick blanket of cloud. Today's top in Cairns was 31 degrees, following an overnight low of 24. Cooktown got to 30 this time and Mareeba hit a high of 29. No significant rainfall was recorded overnight. On the satellite loop now, two notable areas of interest: the blow-up of the northern monsoon, which is starting to rain quite heavy over Cape York Peninsula, and this whole swath of cloud is slowly coming down because of a monsoon low that's now in the Gulf of Carpentaria. That's pretty much the pole position on the chart now, and it's dragging the whole monsoon down, and eventually we'll find this heavy rain will encroach right through Cairns and Townsville and down to as far as Mackay. In the southeast, meanwhile, we've had just a big explosion of severe thunderstorms this afternoon due to a trough, and we'll see that on today's chart. The trough is in a perfect position to produce these severe storms. It's dividing extremely warm and humid air on its eastern side from cooler southeasterly winds on the opposite side, and the convergence of those air masses is providing the perfect lifting mechanism for these severe storms that we've seen. On tomorrow's chart, the coastal section of the trough moves a little bit further north, starts to clear from southern areas, especially the Darling Downs, but more storms through the Capricornia. On the outlook chart, the monsoon trough now descends and the heavy rain starts to encroach upon North Queensland. And now the boating forecast for Cairns waters: southeast to northeast winds 10 to 20 knots tomorrow, straight easterlies 15 to 20 knots on Thursday, 15 to 20 again on Friday. We've got one of our fortnightly half moon or neap tides at the moment. They happen when the solar and lunar tides partially cancel because they're at right angles, so there isn't much water movement. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, rain developing tomorrow with possible severe storms. Cairns 24 to 29 degrees, Atherton 25, Innisfail 30 and Mareeba 28. Looking ahead for Cairns, expect daily rainfalls up to 150 millimetres on Thursday, Friday, as freshening southeasterly trade winds bump heads with the monsoon. Showers and storms could persist well into next week. For Atherton, nice and cool by day because of cloud, 25 degrees almost every day, but nights are still very warm and very wet. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks very much for your company.
Anything you'd like to catch up on again, our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.